It's Tuesday, August 1st. What? August. Oh well. First of all, I'm very excited. The color retreat on August 13th, Sunday, is filling up. If you are interested in a space, there are 4 spaces left. So, don't hesitate. There are 4 spaces left. All right. Guess what? We finally, Chrissy worked today, and I met with my cohorts in the mountains who are going to help create this retreat, and we are prepared to announce the Changing Colors Knitting Retreat with Ann Weaver. It is October 6th. Everybody arrives on Friday the 6th. Classes start at 9 o'clock on Saturday. They go all day Saturday, then Sunday. Same thing, 2 classes, morning and afternoon. And then Sunday night, we'll have some gathering and some social knitting. And then Monday morning is a holiday, Columbus Day. And you'll get a special treat if you want to go down to Maggie Valley Yarns and enjoy her store. So, Cindy and from Maggie Valley Yarns and Wendy from Yummy Yarns in Burnsville, and we at Bella Filati have gathered together, and we are sponsoring this Lake Junaluska Changing Colors Knitting Retreat with Ann Weaver. It will be amazing. So if you are at all interested, go to bellafilati.com and you will see it on the front page. You can click on that and you can pay for the retreat. The rooms are not, I repeat, not included. So you must make your room reservation separate from your retreat reservation, all right? And there is, you'll have instructions of how to do that through the Lambeth Hotel in Lake Junaluska. The retreat itself, minus the room, is $350, but oh my gosh, you get 3 classes. So the all-day class on Saturday is steeking. So you're gonna, and you don't have to knit. You buy a thrift sweater, a pullover, you cut it up the middle, and then you work on that. So you don't have to knit to steek. So you're gonna learn how to steek on Saturday, which is an invaluable process, because if you ever wanna do any fair awl work, it's so much easier to do it in the round, then cut it and then steek it and then finish it later. So steeking is Saturday, which is awesome. And then Sunday is going to be beginner brioche. Yes, I said it. Beginner brioche. And then fair aisle in the afternoon. So lots to learn. What a great experience. There'll be a group of us, between 15 and 20 of us. All your meals are included, all right? And you'll get goodie bags, and there'll be nightly social events and social knitting. We gather together. There's tons of places in the hotel. There's porches and all kinds of other places to gather and meet and sit and knit and chat. There will be trunk show, pop-up shops, especially specialty shopping from Plied Yarns, which is Ann Weaver's yarn, from our store, Bella Filati, from Yummy Yarns, and from Maggie Valley Yarn Shop. We will all have product there for you to purchase. So it will be nothing but fun and exciting. You can single or double your room. So if you can share the room, the price is the same. If you want to hang out by yourself, you're welcome to. But you can always bring somebody with you. There is a minimum 2-night stay. So remember that. Of course, I'm coming on Friday. I will be there Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. And I won't go home until Monday. So come hang out with all of us. It'll be so fun. I'm excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? All right, the email will probably go out tomorrow, so you can also do all of that from the email tomorrow. Okay? Excitement! All right. I think that's enough for today. I'm so excited. So we got a restock of some Cascade yarn today. So Heritage is back in stock. Cotton Sock is back in stock. Is that right? Oh, and Noble Cotton is back in stock. So boom. Yay. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.